Hi friends, welcome back. Welcome to Predict the Unpredictable, where we discuss important current affairs topics for the Prelims examination 2025. Guys, these topics are very important because something related to this topic has already come in the PYQs. So in every video discussion, I am going to integrate the current affairs topic with the PYQs also, and I'm going to discuss few PYQs also. So if you follow this initiative, you will be able to cover some important PYQs also. So guys, today's topic is from the subject of environment. Guys, you all know that in the last couple of years, the importance of environment is increasing. If you want to crack prelims examination, you have to be very strong in environment. And today's topic is very important topic because it is in controversy for the last 1 month. So guys, the topic is air pollution in Delhi. You can see this news item. It is a very important news item. I hope you must have read this topic today. Air pollution in Delhi spikes to 10 times over the WHO limit. This is very, very important. Why this is important? Because guys, you can see this was asked in the prelims examination 2022. You can see here there was a question on WHO air quality guidelines. Exactly the same question has come in 2022. This means that this topic is very, very important. Let us read the topic, guys. The concentration of particulate matter in the city's air has gone up over 10 times the safe limit prescribed by WHO, and the situation is likely to get worse in coming days. So you can see here the WHO limit of the particulate matter is very, very important, and that is why you can see this was asked in the prelims examination 2022. So guys, we are going to study what was this WHO air quality guideline, and also we are going to examine this issue of air pollution in Delhi in detail. So not only we are going to discuss the WHO air quality guideline, we are also going to discuss this problem of air pollution in Delhi, focusing on stubble burning in Punjab and Haryana, because recently Supreme Court has passed a judgment where it has said that this comes under Article 21, right to live in pollution free environment. Okay, very, very important. So guys, you can see here that according to Central Pollution Control Board data, the level of hazardous PM 2.5 tiny particles that are 2.5 microns or less in diameter was recorded at 160 microgram per cubic meter at 9 a.m. on Sunday, against permissible limit of 15 microgram per cubic meter for a 24-hour period. This is very, very important, guys. Why this is important? I'll just show you in the PYQ. The PM 2.5 are inhaled particles invisible to naked eyes that remain suspended in the air and lead to serious respiratory issues once they enter the body and cling to the lungs. Very, very important. Long exposure to this may increase asthma, heart disease, stroke, and cancer. Emissions from combustion of fuel, wood, agriculture waste are chief sources of PM 2.5. Now let us see this question, guys. The 24-hour mean for PM 2.5 should not exceed 15 microgram per cubic meter. An annual mean of 2.5 micron should not exceed 5 microgram per cubic meter. Guys, this is statement is correct. We can see from here. And guys, you can see here in 2021, the WHO has come out with new guidelines for six pollutants. Which are these six pollutants? You can see here PM 2.5, PM 10, ozone. Next is the nitrous oxide, then sulfur dioxide, and then carbon monoxide. So guys, you can see here that the levels has been given. You can see here for PM 2.5 it is 5 microgram per cubic meter. You can see, guys, here this is the correct data. Second one, it says that, okay, you can see for, okay, for the annual. Okay, so for the annual, guys, you can see here this is annual, and for 24 hours it is 15. So this is the first statement is correct one. Okay, you can see here next, you can see It's written here, PM10 can penetrate the lung barrier and enter the bloodstream. So this is not correct, guys. It is PM 2.5. Just now we have seen PM 2.5. Okay. So statement 3 is incorrect. Then you can see, guys, statement 3 is incorrect. So we are left with 1 and 4 and 1 and 2. You can see here, guys, the statement 4 says excessive ozone in the air can trigger asthma. Yes, this is correct. So the answer will be 1 and 4. Answer will be option B. But what all can come on this topic in the future year? So guys, since particulate matter is a very important pollutant, so they can ask you what are the sources of particulate matter. Guys, you can see here the sources of particulate matter is combustion of fuel, wood, agriculture waste as the chief sources of PM 2.5. So combustion of wood, fuel like coal, and agriculture waste. Why we are discussing this agriculture waste? Because that is the main problem, stubble burning. So guys, in stubble burning, one of the pollutant is what? Particulate matter, which we are going to discuss in detail. Guys, this topic of air pollution is a favorite topic of UPSC because a lot of questions have come on this topic in other years also. So let us see another question which has come on this topic. You can see this question, guys. This is a question which has come in the year 2016. In cities of our country, which among the following atmospheric gases are normally considered in calculating value of air quality index? So guys, air quality index is very important for this year. It is very important for this year. Why this PYQ is important? Let me tell you. Guys, UPSC has a habit of asking questions which are having an anniversary. So guys, the government of India has launched air quality index in the year 2014. And guys, in 2024, this is completing 10 years. Therefore, there is a high chance that they can again ask question on air quality or air pollution. Let me give you the information about the National Air Quality Index. So guys, you can see here in the year 2014, the Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change launched National Air Quality Index. So in the year 2014, this was launched. And guys, you can see here there are six AQI category, namely good, satisfactory, moderately polluted, poor, very poor, and severe. And this is calculated on eight pollutants, on the level of eight pollutants. This is very important. What are these eight pollutants? PM10, PM 2.5, nitrous dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, ozone, NH3, and lead. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so eight pollutants. What are how many pollutants? Eight pollutants. And guys, you can see here that the AQI categories are six categories, and they have given the data also. What is the level for the air to be called as very poor, poor? So this is also very important because you can see in the newspaper they have talked about AQI reading. You can see here AQI reading of between 201 to 300 is termed as poor, and 301 to 400 is termed as very poor, and 401 and 5 between 401 and 500 is severe. Okay, so guys, you can see here that they have given you the various levels. They have given you various levels for the PM 2.5 and PM10, the AQI levels. So you can see here for every levels, okay, there is a six kind of categories. There are six kind of categories. So this is very important. This is very important. Okay, what are these eight pollutants? You can see here. So you can easily answer this question that, okay, which are the pollutants which are not there? You can see here. Okay, we do not have what? We do not have methane. Okay, so we do not have methane. So this is gone. So fifth is gone, fifth is gone, fifth is gone. Now we are left with 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. So you can see here, guys, there is no carbon dioxide. So guys, this is also gone. So this is also gone. So 2, 3, 4. So we have carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, and sulfur dioxide. 2, 3, 4 is the correct answer. Here, guys, you need to remember that in calculation of AQI, the national AQI, we are considering 8 pollutants: PM2.5, PM10, NO2, SO2, CO, O3, NH3, and PB. And for calculation of WHO norms, okay, there are 6 pollutants, which is PM2.5, PM10, O3, NO2, SO2, and CO. So this is very, very important. So there are two more extra pollutants which are included in AQI. Okay, two more extra pollutants which are included in AQI, which are this NH3. Okay, which are this NH3 and guys, you can see here PB. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so you keep this in mind, very, very important. So let us now come to the bigger issue that recently Supreme Court has wrapped the air quality panel over the failure to curb Delhi's pollution. So guys, this body is very, very important. The Commission for Air Quality Management, the Commission for Air Quality Management for the NCR, okay, National Capital Region. This is very, very important. So guys, this body is a statutory body. This body is a statutory body, and the function of this body is to coordinate actions between Delhi, Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, and Uttar Pradesh state governments, planning and execution to prevent and control air pollution in the NCR, provide a framework for identification of air pollutants, conducting research, training, and creating special workforce to deal with the issues of pollution, preparing action plan such as plantation and addressing stubble burning. So this is very important. Addressing stubble burning is a function of this commission for air quality management. Very, very important. So what are the powers of the commission? The commissions can restrict activities influencing air quality. It can investigate and conduct research. It can prepare codes and guidelines to prevent air pollution. It can issue directions on matters including inspection, regulation. Further, Commission may impose and collect environmental compensation from farmers causing pollution. This is very important. So it can impose fine on farmers and can collect the fine also. This is very, very important. This is very, very important. Guys, you can see here that the commission, okay, can enforce penalties. You can see here contravention of the provisions of ordinance or the act, and the orders and directions of the commission will be punishable with imprisonment up to 5 years or fine up to 1 crore. This is very, very important. Okay, so this is very, very fine up to 1 crore can be levied if you are not following the guidelines of this commission. This is very, very important. All the appeals against this commission will be heard by National Green Tribunal. This is also very, very important. This is also very, very important. Okay, guys. So this is a very important topic, guys. Next topic which is related to this is stubble burning. What are the effects of stubble burning? So guys, stubble burning first of all has a negative effect for the air quality. You can see guys, stubble burning leads to carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, oxides of sulfur. Then you can see here like particulate matter, then black carbon, volatile organic compounds, and carcinogenic aromatic hydrocarbons. So these are the pollutants coming out of stubble burning. Further, guys, stubble burning is also not good for the soil. Why? Guys, first of all, stubble burning can lead to increase in temperature of the soil, which kills the bacterial and fungal population, which is critical for fertility of soil. Second thing, guys, the organic content of the soil reduces. Third, guys, it kills the important pests. Okay, it kills the friendly pests. Okay, which is very important. Next, it removes the organic carbon. Next, it removes nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and sulfur from the soils, which are very important ingredients for soil fertility. So it will remove nitrogen, it will remove phosphorus, it will remove potassium, it will remove sulfur. Very, very important apart from the organic carbon. So guys, it has a very negative adverse impact for the air quality, and it also has a very negative impact for the soil quality. So this is very, very important. In the end, guys, what you can say is that there are some regulations regarding this stubble burning. You can see, guys, there was an order passed by Delhi High Court that no farmers will be allowed to burn the stubble, and if some farmers are burning stubble, there can be a fine against them. There can be a fine against them. You can see here 2015 order of NGT has banned crop residue burning in the states of Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, and Punjab. This is very, very important. Burning crop residue is a crime under Section 188 of IPC and under Air and Pollution Control Act 1981. So this is very, very important. Guys, stubble burning is a very important topic. Guys, I think impact of stubble burning can come because it has not come. Impact on air quality, they can ask you which are the pollutants which are released by stubble burning, or they can ask you what is the impact on the soil fertility of stubble burning. So guys, I hope you like this discussion. Guys, if you like our work, then please do consider liking this video, because your every like encourages me to make more videos. Guys, such kind of PYQ analysis will really help you in your preparation and will help you to target important topics. Guys, UPSC in the end, okay, in the prelims you have to solve 100 questions. And out of those 100 questions, guys, if you are able to solve 55 to 60 questions, you can easily sail through prelims. So guys, remember, focusing on important topics is very, very important, and this initiative will help you to do that. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.